Let us go for question number 9. So what is that? The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, so find the height of the building. Nothing. So there is a tower and there is a building. So once we observe the building from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation they have given. Once if you observe the tower from the foot of the building and vice versa, so the both angle of elevations will be given. We need to find the what. So once they have given the height of the tower, we need to find the height of the building. To find that one, so the angle of elevation of the building from the top of from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. So if the angle is more, then the height is going to be less. Then the height is going to be more as compared to that, since both are the same distance as compared to both. So here there will be a building and a what we call tower. So here the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. That means as compared to the building, tower is at the more height. Reason is the angle of elevation is going to be more for this. So let us take this is the tower and let us take this is the building. So here this is the building. Don't write here, for your clarity I am writing. This is a tower. So if you observe this top of the tower from the foot of the building, the angle of elevation will be what? 60 degrees. If you observe the top of the building from the foot of the tower, this is the foot of the tower, and the angle of elevation will be 30 degrees. So let us take, and what they have mentioned here. So the tower is of the 50 meters height. This is the tower height, they have given it as 50 meter, and we need to find the height of the what? Building. So let me A, B, C, D. So let me first write the data. So let AB be height of the tower and CD be height of the building. CD be height of the building. That will be equal to some H. So we need to find this value now. Look at here. So the angle of elevation from foot of building to top of tower is 60 degrees. In the similar way, the angle of elevation from the foot of tower to top of the building as similar to this is 30 degrees. So this will be 30 degrees. So let us take first this triangle and this triangle, then find the value. So let us take this as x. Let AC is equal to x. The distance between the foot of the tower to the foot of the building is x. So here I am writing let AC is equal to x. So what I am going to do, let us see. From triangle, any triangle you can take, no matter. So A, B, C, it doesn't reflect more. Anyhow, we need to find the value of H here. So here, this will be 50 meter. Here you need to get that out, sir. We want this value, H value. Why you are taking this? Definitely to find this value, we have to know this one. The reason is, again, if you take the relation also, this has to be known. So this will be what? 60 degrees. Tan 60 is equal to 50 by x. So this will be root 3, that will be 50 by x. So cross multiplication, what you will get? Root 3 into x is equal to 50, x is equal to 50 upon root 3. Mark it as number 1. Next, from triangle, this triangle ADC. So this is the triangle ADC. A, D, C. So this is obviously 90 degrees. So anyhow, if it is vertical means makes angle 90 degrees here also. So here, what can I get? This will be H, this will be X. So 30. So tan 30 will be is equal to, what you will get? The value of tan 30 will be 1 by root 3. Tan 30 will be 1 by root 3. And tan 30 is 1 by root 3, then what is tan 30 from here? H upon x, opposite upon adjacent. So here 1 by root 3 into x is equal to h. So now I replace h. H is x. 1 by root 3 into x. X is equal to 1 by root 3 into, so x is what? 50 by root 3. This x value replaced here. This will become 50 by 3. So 50 by 3 in the sense. So 50 by 3 meters, or approximately how much it will become? 3 1s are 3. Next 20. 3 6s are 18. 2 left. So that means how much it is? Again 3 6 are 18. 16.666 meters. 66 bar meters. So this is about the question number 9 meter. So try to understand it. Whenever you are observing from food, we need to join this up to here. Whenever observing from the food, we need to join here. Don't be confused with this. Once if you are clear with the figure, nothing in that. Once again, whenever you are observing from the food, we need to join food and the top. When we are observing from this food, we need to observe. We need to join this food and the top. So elevations. So once again, here elevation is more. So the distance from here to here to here is same. And which will be the more height? How we will decide? So here this angle is more. Definitely this is going to be at the more height as compared to this. This is all about the question number 9.